Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer funds between Binance wallets. I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in, and what to do, how to transfer. I will just move in my wallet icon, which is top right bottom corner. So just tap on it, and after in wallet inside, so here is your balance. So I will just tap on this transfer button. You will see in your dashboard. So just tap to transfer. So here you can just select it the in USDT. If you have balance in USDT, so you can just change it, and you can also change the sending coin like BNB to Bitcoin or Dogecoin, whatever you want to change it. So you can just select the currency of to transfer, and when you selected all the information, just tap on this yellow icon. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.